The stem cell research controversy. Stem cell research is a controversial topic for many reasons, but do the potential benefits outweigh the risks and issues that surround it? It is likely we all know someone who has been sick with cancer or another serious illness that has no certain cure. Stem cell research is an area that has broad applications and can provide cures to people with these diseases and illnesses. Stem cell research should be allowed and encouraged to advance the possibilities of curing the worst illnesses of our times. Some of these include cancer, ALS, MS, genetic mutations, and others. However, there is controversy over the source of stem cells, and it is a major hurdle to continuing stem cell research. By supporting stem cell research and alternative sources of stem cells, these problems can be overcome, which could lead to cures for some of these diseases and the elimination of the current sources of embryonic harvesting. While there are many problems that we face today around the ethics of medical research, we also owe it to the people suffering from these severe illnesses to do what we can to help. Major illness is the main driver for the need for stem cell research. Cancer, Alzheimer's, neural trauma, nerve damage, and many others could benefit severely from furthering the research in stem cells. The controversy surrounding the religion and ethics of embryo harvesting. According to Nick Allam in the research article Religion and the Public Ethics of Stem Cell Research, published April 20th, 2017, recent controversies over the future of stem cell research echo elements of earlier debates on contraception and in vitro fertilization, but they also prefigure more recent ones on synthetic biology and gene editing. The most common method of harvesting stem cells is from human embryos, which causes a moral and ethical dilemma surrounding the beginning of life and the rights surrounding it. According to James Paul Pandaracallum in the journal The Incarnation Process, an Embryonic Stem Cell Debate, published May 2017, some argue around the implantation of the blastocyst in the uterine wall as the best marker for the definition of human life, because at this point the embryo is past the stage in which it can split to form twins. It is only after twinning is not possible anymore when the life of one individual starts as a recognizable one. While the challenges we face are many, it is possible to overcome them with careful, thoughtful solutions. By supporting and advocating stem cell research, it is possible to overcome some of the hurdles that we are currently facing. Supporting research at hospitals and universities is one of these possibilities. According to Anjali Nagpal in the journal article Stem Cell Therapy Clinical Research, a regulatory conundrum for academia, published in December 2017, the majority of product development research involving cell therapies is occurring in academic centers involving scientists and clinicians. These academic researchers often lack the technical, financial, and human resources to navigate the necessary but complex regulatory process required for clinical transition of these cell therapies. One way that we can advocate stem cell research is by writing to our senators and representatives, and another is by supporting federal research grants for stem cell research. This could lead to alternative sources of stem cells, such as donation or lab-grown stem cells, instead of harvesting from human embryos. By doing what we can to support stem cell research, we can make a significant impact on the quality of life for many people. In the future, this may lead to major illness treatments, Alzheimer's treatments to reduce and reverse memory loss and dementia, cancer treatments that do not require radiation or chemotherapy and also severely reduce the occurrence rate, programmed cells to regrow and repair damaged nerves and neural trauma, leading to paralyzed or paraplegic individuals retaining movement. With alternative sources in use, there will be no more harvesting of embryonic stem cells and wider availability of stem cells to fuel further research and treatments. In conclusion, stem cell research is a divisive topic that could benefit many with the advances in medicine that it could cause. By supporting local universities and hospitals doing research into stem cell therapies and stem cell research, You can write your senators and representatives in Congress encouraging them to support stem cell research and increasing funding through federal grants. Someday, the major illnesses we face today will be as easy to treat as the common